Sitting back, blowing on the smoke, chillin' with these hoes I don't even really know. And all of my niggas be on go, we all dogs. Sitting back, blowing on the smoke, fucking on these hoes I don't even really know. We smash them, then we send them to the door, we all dogs. In studio, got a text from my ex, said she was smoking, had sex, and I begin to reminisce about the bad bitches. I mean the past bitches, ones that claimed that they was down with me, but only came around when I was cash spending. Never had my own, but different whips. I went from mad bitch, talking about them types that wanna fuck and still be mad with you. Baby girl, fuck that attitude and just be glad I picked you. When I was a dog, I never had that issue. Back to the lab, I crashed, hoes on the side get smashed, blunts and shots get passed. Cause nigga never thought I feel the way I feel today. Do these bitches right and still get played. So I'ma fuck this bitch and both her friends, and in the end I still get paid. Smoke was blowing up my phone and plays. Hoes all on my gram, they want that haze. DM, I blew her O straight to her page. Caption, baby girl, let's say your mate. And I heard you and your friends is trying to blaze, so blaze. Sitting back, blowing on that smoke, chillin' with these hoes I don't even really know. And all of my niggas be on go, we all dogs. Sitting back, blowing on the smoke, fucking on these hoes I don't even really know. We smash them, then we send them to the door, we all dogs. I could tell you about them crazy hoes I hit, and I could probably calculate every brick I done flipped. But I swear I can't count up all the blunts that I done lit and every dollar I done spent. Sometimes you catch me blowing through them both like it ain't shit. Tap my other sons, that pack is sick. Grind and grind all day, at night get bit. Trap house be that circus full of gymnasts doing flips, and the junkies be our patients, we the doctors for they fix. Man, I ain't playing though. Niggas and bitches get out of line, don't need to play that role. Tryna shoot up the club, but first I gotta make it home. Shorty staying thrown, smoking hella blunts, already on the way, and I'm a bone. I done faced me too, so now I'm gone. Silencer, I threw that on my phone with my bad bitch, and I ain't taking calls. She done sent me pics without the draws, and now I'm about to dig it down and bring paint on the walls. Sitting back, blowing on the smoke, chillin' with these hoes I don't even really know. And all of my niggas be on go, we all dogs. Sitting back, blowing on the smoke, fucking on these hoes I don't even really know. We smash them, then we send them to the door, we all dogs. Sitting back, blowing on the smoke, chillin' with these hoes I don't even really know. And all of my niggas be on go, we all dogs. Sitting back, blowing on the smoke, fucking on these hoes I don't even really know. We smash them, then we send them to the door, we all dogs.